Hello there. So today is an exciting day because today is the first day that I'm going supping, S-U-P. And what supping is, it stands for stand up paddling. So I'm gonna be on a board and I'm gonna be paddling on the board on the water. And I'll show you what body of water I'll be paddling on. I'll be paddling on the water out there. I'm in Da Nang. I'm in Da Nang doing what I like to do, giving myself little vacations while I also work on a creative project. And how cute is this, like, I guess it's like a wetsuit thingy, I don't know. Anyway, I like it. This thing is size 2X because out here, if you're my body size, you got broad shoulders, you gotta wear extra large. So, and then this, I love this. This is actually these shorts. These are really cute shorts, but it looks like a dress, a skirt, I should say. I guess this is what they play when, they wear when they play tennis. I like it. I don't play tennis, but I like looking sporty. Doing this with my friend Yulia. Let's go. It was an overcast day, but the wind was agreeable for paddleboarding, so we were perfectly fine. We agreed to meet at 6:30 a.m. and that's Julia doing her walkthrough. And we rented everything from the paddleboard supplier. We had the paddleboard, the paddles themselves, and life jackets. And the paddleboards, they're pretty tall and very heavy if you're not balancing them properly, which I was not for a minute. And in order to prevent separation from the paddleboard, the board is tethered to our leg with the aid of a flexible cord and a little bit of Velcro. You can see that in this video here. We had so much fun. The entire process was cool. My friend Julia, she's done this before, so she was just zipping around the sea, just zipping around. Me, on the other hand, my major focus was simply learning to go from a seated position to a standing position. That was it. And by the end of like the 2-hour expedition, I was able to accomplish that. My favorite picture from the experience, when I tell you that my 80-year-old self is going to be delighted in rediscovering this photo, it just makes me so happy. It makes me so happy. Overall, it was a fun time. It was a great way to spend an early morning rise. I highly recommend it. Yes, it is exhausting. It's a full body workout. The instructor we had was super cool. He brought us coffee, and then Julia had snacks. And so we're sitting on our boards, floating in the middle of the sea, sipping coffee, enjoying bananas, and having, a cultural exchange. It was a good time, a really, really good time. I'd do it again. Julia, was it good?
Yeah, it's great!
So, souping is pretty straightforward. So my experience looked like lots of yelping. If you know me, I am very excitable in my nature, and so I give really good reaction.
I don't know!
And if I feel like I'm going to fall, everyone is going to know that I feel like I'm going to fall. But the trick is you have to start on your knees in the center of your board and keep your knees shoulder width apart. And you put the paddle on the board, and then you slowly lift one foot up from that knee to that foot position, and then you do it with the other leg, and then you stand up tall and straight. And then you have to get used to the wobble wobble. The wobble 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 wobble, right? You gotta get used to the wobble. And then you adjust the length of the paddle, and then basically you adjust it to where it's taller than you by like 5 fingers up, like that, and then you put it in the water and you go. So lastly, I feel really relaxed and really zenny, and I know I'm gonna have a good nap when it's time for nap time, which is another great experience too. Okay,